Are you deciding whether to live in Tampa or Orlando area? This new construction home and this new community is located in the center of these two locations. Also, a bonus for you, this community itself is just minutes away to the Kaiser University and one of the Central Florida International Airport. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My name is RJ Bautista, your favorite incredible realtor with LPT Realty specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. A quick summary of our channel. We upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time a new construction VIP tour just for you, a new construction deal that you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and smash that like button if you found helpful and useful this video, and share this video as well to all your family and friends that who would like to move and purchase a new construction home here in Central Florida. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to the 1989 model by KB Home. This KB Home, especially on this particular area, is a very good home that you don't want to miss out, because as soon as you come here, you will see this wide entrance and also a high ceiling. This high ceiling is over 9 foot, as you can see it here inside. And also in this particular builder, the KB Home has a two option for you, that if you would like to build your property from the ground, or you can buy it at the move-in ready or the inventory home, which I highly suggest. Why? Because this move-in ready home, they are giving so much buyer incentive that can save you thousands from closing costs, interest rate, appliances package, and so on. So make sure if you're planning to buy a property here at KB Home, try to pick the move-in ready home so you can save a lot of money during the process. So here on the first bedroom, as you can see it here, we are on the first bedroom. You will have the size of this bedroom is 12 by 12, and you can have this closet, a sliding door closet, and also a window here that you can have for plenty of natural light. So in this bedroom, you can fit a double bed or two single bed or a queen size bed, which will fit in this particular bedroom and as your preferred, right? Here on the second room will be your bathroom. As you can see it here, you don't see any bathroom apart from the toilet. So they did this for purpose because of this model. This is a model home, but however, if you're gonna buy this property, you will have a single sink there, a shower area, and the toilet all together, right? And here on the second bedroom, it will be the same size on the first one, which is 12 by 12, and you will have a pretty much design. As you can see it here, you can fit a single bed here, a double bed, or two single bed, or a queen size bed, whatever you prefer, and also a sliding closet there and a window there for natural light, which is a very good size on this particular bedroom, and I really like it. And now we are heading to the main room, but before that, let me show you the other bedroom here on the side. And this particular door is access to your 2 or 3 car garage. So you have an option here if you want to build 2-car garage or a 3-car garage. And here is your laundry area, which will be your washer and dryer will be negotiated. If you're going to buy a quick move-in home or the inventory home, washer and dryer will be included. As I mentioned before, you will save a lot of money buying a new construction home as a move-in ready in this particular builder. And now we are here on the third bedroom. As you can see it here, this third bedroom is consists of 12 by 11. You will have a sliding closet here. This is a little bit smaller than the other two. However, you can use this as a guest bedroom. You can use this as a playroom for your kids or an office, whatever suits you. However, if you're gonna put a bed here, it can fit a double bed or a queen size bed in this particular room, right? And now we are heading to this beautiful open space concept floor plan. Look at this, very, very good. As you can see it here, you will have your living room area here. You will have your dining area and also your kitchen area in one together, right? And you will have an extra height ceiling there. As you can see in the middle, you will have that center that will give you a little height on your ceiling. And here on the living room space area, you can put an L shape here, or four couches or two separated couches, whatever you prefer, which will fit in this particular living space area. And here in the dining area, you can fit here a 6 or up to 8 chairs, whatever you prefer as your dining table, which you will have a plenty of space to play around, right? And you will have an extra space here on the side to put some stuff or whatever furnitures that you would like to put in. And here on the kitchen area, you will have here a center island here, a slab, which is a granite or quartz, whatever they have in the pre-listing, you can have that. And you will have a double sink here or a single deep sink, whichever that they have, right? And here on the room, you will have the pantry there, which is a good size. You will have this space for your appliances. As I mentioned before, all the appliances will be included on the quick move-in home. And here on the particular kitchen area, you will have a tiles backsplash here, which a pretty good size, and also a lot of space or storage or a cabinet in your kitchen area, which is very, very good. I love it. If you are kitchen addict or if you are a chef, this is your kitchen chef that I really like, and probably you will like it too, right? And now we are heading to the outside, which is a very good one. As you can see it here, we are heading towards your back, and you will see this covered patio, which is a very, very good size as well, and also a big lot on this particular location, right? In this location, they offer a big lot. If you like a big backyard, as you can see it here, this is a best fit for you, because on each lot or each backyard that they have pretty much big land or lot that they built in this particular home site, right? And now we are heading to the master bedroom or the fourth bedroom. But before that, let me show you this little door, which is another closet or a linen closet that you can use on this particular home. And here is the master bedroom or the fourth bedroom, which is the size of 14 by 13, right? Pretty good size as well. As you can see it here, you can fit queen or a king size bed here with two different windows for natural light, which is, I love natural light. It makes your room or house big because of natural light. And here is the master closet that you can have. You will have a pretty big closet there that you can use on this particular bedroom. And also it is separate, the master closet or the closet and the ensuite bathroom, right? So this is the second bathroom or the master ensuite bathroom. You will have your toilet here separated, and you will have his and her sink, plus the white quartz countertop here. As I said, it could be quartz or granite. And you will have a bathtub here and a fully tiles shower area here, which is separated. And here on your room, you can have this another linen closet on your bathroom as well. So you will have plenty of linen closet here and additional windows there for you that you can use for natural light in this particular bathroom specifically, right? So overall on this particular room, I love the space that you are getting in this particular property, because it's open concept floor plan, and at the same time you can walk around or move around to enjoy while living in this particular property. You will have a plenty of space to do and enjoy living in here, right? And the last thing that I would like to talk about here is the point of interest. However, before that, I would like to say the location of this particular area is in Lakeland. As I mentioned earlier on the first part, this particular area in Lakeland, this is located in between the Tampa and also Orlando area. So if you are planning to move or live in between Tampa area or Orlando area, and you cannot decide which part of Central Florida or Tampa or Orlando you would like to live, this location is the perfect fit for you. Because let me tell you, on this location to Tampa area will be 35 miles, about 40 minutes, and so it depends on the traffic. The next one will be the Orlando area. So from Lakeland to Orlando area, it will take you 49 miles. It's about 57 minutes. It depends on the traffic. It depends on the day as well. So they are both in the middle if you are thinking about this particular location because of its location itself, right? And the next one that I would like to talk about here is the Kaiser University. So if you have a son or a daughter that needs to go to university or college, Kaiser University is just around the corner from this particular community. It's about 6 miles away and 13 minutes away away from the particular community. It's very close and very convenient as well if you have a daughter or a son that needs to go to university. The last one that I would like to talk about here is the International Airport or the Lakeland International Airport. The Lakeland International Airport is just 10 miles away, just about 21 minutes. It depends on the traffic again, on the time when you go into airport or going back from the airport, which is very close and very convenient as well if you are flying or if you are traveling most of the time. This particular community is just around the corner from the airport as well. So this is the video for today. If I missed something on this particular video, you can comment your thoughts on the comment box below. And also, before I forget, the starting price of this particular home is from 335,000 and above, right? That's the starting price. Because I have received a comment before that I don't put price, because sometimes when I put the property here, they change the price by time to time, or sometimes it's already sold. So that's why I don't put the price until that you are serious to know about it. You can text me about it and I can reply you straight away the current or updated price list. All right. And then last one, before I forget, this community itself has no CDD. This is the best one for you if you want to save, or if you don't like CDD, this is the one for you. Okay. If you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home so I can see how many people who stay in this video until this end. I appreciate your time watching my video until this end. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm out for today. I'll talk to you soon. Peace. Hold on, do you like my new haircut? Yeah! I did this haircut today just for this video. Only joking. I just like my haircut. Bye!